In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Airbnb listing. Start by heading to Airbnb.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, click your profile picture in the top right and switch to Hosting. This takes you to the Host view, where all your tools live. If you manage both trips and listings, switching to Hosting ensures you're making changes to your property and not your traveler profile. From the Hosting dashboard, click Listings. You'll see all the properties connected to your account. Choose the one you want to update. If you manage more than one, take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct listing so your edits go to the right place. Now let's walk through the key areas you can edit. Start with the title and description. Click directly into the text fields, make your changes, and then save. Keep your title clear and searchable, and use the description to highlight unique features and set expectations. Short, scannable paragraphs make it easier for guests to understand what you offer. Next, open Photos. Here you can upload new images, delete outdated ones, or drag to rearrange the order. Lead with your strongest photo, often the living area or a standout view. Use bright, high-resolution images, and make sure each room is well lit and tidy to set the right first impression. Move on to amenities and update details like Wi-Fi, parking, and kitchen items. Accuracy matters because guests often filter by these features. If you provide something seasonal or limited, make sure the description reflects that to avoid confusion later. Under pricing, you can adjust your nightly rate, cleaning fee, and any discounts. You can also enable smart pricing if you want Airbnb to help automatically adjust rates based on demand. Whatever you choose, double-check that your base price and fees align with your market and with what guests see at checkout. In availability, manage your calendar. You can block off dates you don't want to host or change your minimum stay requirements. For example, you might set a higher minimum during peak seasons or holidays to reduce turnovers while maintaining revenue. Finally, review house rules. Update your check-in and check-out times, pet policy, smoking rules, and any other expectations. Clear, specific rules help prevent misunderstandings and keep your place respected. After you finish editing a section, click Save. Changes update immediately on your live listing, so take a moment to review your page as guests would see it. A quick pass for spelling, photo order, and pricing can make a real difference in how your listing performs. That's it. With these updates, your listing will be clearer, more compelling,